friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to cover guys how to enable eye comfort mode in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to enable your eye comfort mode, so friends you can enable it. And friends, now let's see how to enable eye comfort mode in our Tecno phone. In this video friends I will show you. So friends, now let's see how to enable eye comfort mode in our Tecno phone. In this video we will talk about. So friends, first of all guys, turn on your phone setting to enable your eye comfort mode. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone friends. After on phone setting guys, scroll it and guys you can see your display and brightness setting friends. Tap here and guys you can see your third option eye care mode setting friends. Tap here, so we call it guys eye comfort mode. So friends, you want to enable your eye comfort mode in your Tecno phone, so as you can enable from this right side. After enable guys, you can see your phone screen color will change. So like that guys you can enable your eye comfort mode. And guys you want to adjust guys this brightness, so you can adjust this color brightness in your Tecno phone. So like that guys you can enable guys your eye comfort mode in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.